The Mitsubishi Adroit Process Suite, or MAPS as it is referred to, is an integrated DCS-style solution from Adroit Technologies, designed to work with the Mitsubishi electric range of PLCs and the Adroit SCADA. MAPS has been designed with the system integrator, operations and maintenance engineers in mind. The predefined, modern, and tested SCADA objects, combined with the PLC function blocks, make engineering and commissioning easy. Using the standards offered within the MAPS product, we estimate projects can be completed in 50% of the normal time. And the single object-based development environment allows seamless movement between the SCADA and the PLC programming software, making operations and maintenance trouble-free. The MAPS approach is simple. Define the physical project areas using the S95 standard hierarchy. Add the equipment such as pumps, valves, motors, and instrumentation needed for the plant. Select the SCADA graphical representation that best suits each object, and build the project. The result of using MAPS is a consistent, modern, and value-added industrial solution. MAPS also offers built-in support to many other aspects of your business, and we hope this video gives you an insight into the endless possibilities and efficiencies offered when you use MAPS as your core control solution.